Imagine this: every single day, our brain works tirelessly, managing thousands of thoughts, emotions, and actions. But what happens when that brain gets injured? You might wonder if recovery is possible, if you can regain that sharpness and mental strength. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can. And the secret to healing lies in the very food you eat. Let's take a closer look at some of the most powerful foods that can help repair and nourish your brain. First, walnuts. They might look like little brains, and that's no coincidence. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts are key to promoting brain cell growth, improving memory, and reducing inflammation. Then, we have blueberries, small but incredibly mighty. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants, protecting your brain from oxidative stress and actively helping repair damaged cells. Next, salmon, the king of brain-boosting foods. Salmon is high in DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is essential for brain health. It not only reduces damage but also enhances cognitive function, helping you think clearer and faster. And don't forget about avocados, creamy, rich, and packed with healthy fats. Avocados improve blood flow to the brain, ensuring it gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay sharp and focused. Finally, let's indulge in a little dark chocolate. This delicious treat isn't just for pleasure, it's also rich in flavonoids that boost brain plasticity, supporting your ability to learn and remember. Together, these foods don't just taste great, they're fuel for your brain, helping you recover, thrive, and grow stronger each day. So, remember, every bite you take could be a step toward a healthier, more resilient brain. Start healing today with nature's best ingredients.